What do you think AI is missing today?
Emotion. It's kind of like replacing human.
Can you share advice that someone ever gave you and you still carry it?
Yeah, he told me it's just a random Uber driver. He told me that like everybody is in two faces.
Hi.
Hi.
Can you introduce yourself?
Yeah, I'm Ahmed. I'm 16 years old. I'm from Jordan.
Right, Ahmed. Can you share a moment where someone deeply impacted your life?
Yeah, it's my brother.
Hmm?
Yeah, like I was like falling,
Falling.
Yeah, and my brother just came and gave me advice for life. He like, I'm living the same life with my brother, so he just came and gave me advice how to live it.
Oh, so he lifted you up like you were having some bad time
Yeah,
going on.
he came and like helped me, give me advice.
Can you share advice that someone ever gave you and you still carry it?
Yeah, he told me it's just a random Uber driver. He told me that like everybody is in two faces.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, nobody's clear.
Everybody's
In two faces.
two faces.
Yeah.
Okay. Right. What was the kindest thing a stranger has ever done for you?
Yeah, there's one day I was in the supermarket and I was gonna pay. I forgot my wallet in home, and I was checking my pocket, and he just came and like, I got you. I was like, oh, thank you. Yeah.
There's a stranger
Yeah.
paying for you.
Yeah.
Amazing. What do you think AI is missing today?
Emotion.
Emotions.
Yeah. It's kind of like replacing human. Like people like use it like a friend and.
So it cannot be your friend.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you, Ahmed, for joining us today.
Welcome.
Have a good day.